Hi, in today's video, we are going to learn more deep hacks that are not visible in the normal daily settings, what we use in Windows. Simply, if you have, you can use, there is a option, you can dial up your apps. It gives you option. You can do that by using some shortcut keys that are Windows logo key and arrow key. Like that, I can switch big or small, or I can have it full. If I use that, I can use another window below that one. For example, I'm using right now Windows left arrow key. It will move the window towards the left. If I click the other one, it will open the other window there. I can do the same from the task pane where it shows what kind of layout I need. If I have many windows open, as you can see there, this is another Windows 11 productivity hack that you simply click this main window you want to remain open and just jolt it, and it will minimize all other windows, so you can only be remain with the current window open. You can simply minimize it, maximize it using the Windows keys. Now I'm using three fingers on my mouse pad, so it will open or close the current window. There is another Windows hack that if you press window and number 2, 3, 4, 5, it will open these apps that are down there from the taskbar. Whatever I have pinned, I can open if I click uh, Windows button and number 2 or 3 or 4. These apps will open. So that is the quick way to access those apps. So again, these all windows are open. I just want to remain with Firefox. I will just shake it simply, and it will minimize all other apps except the current one. There is a hidden Windows 11 menu. If you right click on if you left click on the start menu, it opens the normal Windows menu. If you left click on the menu, it will open this. It is called hidden menu or a secret menu, which has more details or which gives you more uh, pro features. For example, like device manager. A normal user does not go to device manager regularly, but if a pro user would like to go to device manager, they can use this. You can do that by pressing Windows and X key as well. You can check your Windows apps. We did cover it up. If you go to settings, you can go to settings. Under system settings, storage, you can see what apps are installed and how much space they are occupying on your system. If you would like, you can remove any app or you can adjust accordingly. For example, I want to uninstall it. I will remove this app because I'm not using this video editor. Now, for example, if we have multiple tabs open like this, and we can open this one as well. This one remains there, and this goes there. Okay. If I open news site and stuff like that, there is a, you can see I can scroll even though this window is not active. Just by hovering over it, I can scroll but my main selected window right now is this one where I am currently working. But I can, once I hover and I scroll with my mouse, I can go up and down on that. To get there, you need to go to settings. Under settings, you have Bluetooth settings. Under Bluetooth, you have Bluetooth and other devices, mouse. Here, under the mouse settings, we have scroll inactive windows when hovering over them. If you turn it off and then try to hover, then it will not allow you to do that for the inactive one. But if you enable it, if you turn it on, it will allow you that you can move on the inactive windows as well. Now we have another Windows hack that we can use like that. Here we have File Explorer. Under File Explorer, we can see all the properties and folder options. Simply go to Options. Here under Folder Options, you can go to View tab and show, instead of showing hidden file folders, you can show files. For example, if you go to Videos, Options, View, Show Hidden Files and Folders, and click Apply. Once you click Apply, it will show you all the details that are associated with these files. Now, last but not least, the Focus Assist of Windows 11 is very powerful feature. You can use that by going to your calendar, time and date, and there you have Focus Assist. You can choose time, how much time you want to focus on some project or a task. You click focus, for example, now 30 minutes. For 30 minutes, this system will not give you any alert. You can see there is a Z to notifications icon. There is, it will be on do not disturb, and it will not let you receive any notifications, any Teams calls or anything that will hinder your work, whatever the project or task you are working on. Once this time passes, the system will send you all the notifications at once. Thank you for watching today's video. See you in next one soon.